Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now today's video is all about how to download or clone any website on your MacBook using HTTrack. Now people have find this difficult most times on how to install and set up HTTrack on your MacBook. So this video will show you everything. Just go to Google search, type in HTTrack. Then this is the main domain name. Then you have to click on this main HTTrack domain. Now this is a section here. Next step is just go to download. Then you have to scroll down. Now you don't need to. This guys up here is for Windows. Those using Windows PC. The as is you just have to download and extract. Automatically it will be added to the website to their Windows PC. Now this other Linux here we are not using it all. Okay, that's one will just give us the file. So this, just scroll down to where you have this recommend. We recommend and click on that home brew. So after I click on home brew, take us to this section, and this is where the installation comes in. Ensure to watch this video. Go now. You just have to copy this section. Copy all the codes here. So once you copy this, then you have to go to your application and locate your terminal. So here is my terminal. Good. So what you just have to do is just have to paste that code. So after you paste this code, to ask for your MacBook password, just put your password for your MacBook, which is your admin password. So after you put your password, then click on enter. It takes it to load all this file. Good. You can see this, right? Now this is good. So here we have successfully installed the HTTrack. Now the next step is we have to type in brew install HTTrack. Now this first section is the homebrew installation setup. Now this other section you have to type in brew install HTTrack. Then click on return or enter. Now this will take a little while processing. So do not X this page, just leave it this way. Just have to be patient while the system is installing this. Good. I can see we've successfully installed the HTTrack. Now this other section here is just have to type in web HTTrack. Then you click on allow. So this will automatically redirect you to this home page. Okay, this home page. Now this is good. This is how we set up the main process. Now I will show you guys an example on what we clone or download online. We download the website online. This is for example purpose. Now this section here, you just have to put your preferred language to be English and click on next. You select English, then you click on next. Good. Now you put in the folder name or the app name you want to create. You can type in any name you ensure you remember. And that one is the user file path to locate the file you are about to download or clone. Then I just open a notepad to ensure I save that information. It's not that necessary, but you can just do that. So after you've done this, go to the website. This is website we're about to clone, and this is for strictly educational and learning purpose. Then once you copy the URL, you go back here and paste it in the box. Then you come back and click on next. So you click on click on that. Now this will take a while this is processing all the files. just have to be patient. Good. Now you can see this has been processed already. I'll just click on this mirror website. Now I can see the website we've already cloned. This is it. This is nice. So I will show you guys the file, how to locate your file. So once you go to Finder, you go to your user, go to websites. That's the folder there. Click on the website, the folder name Forex. Now you can see the folder. That is the main folder. Now this is good. Now you can see all the files here. So basically, you just have to zip in the one with the .com.ng. Alright, so the first one I did was on how we can install and set up the HTTrack. Now this is another example. So as I copy the URL, so I'll go to my terminal. Go back to your terminal. After you exit the terminal, just type in HTTrack. And meanwhile, we've already done it already, so there's no need for installation. So what I will just do is I'll just type back the HTTrack. I'll just click on return, which is enter. Now you have to enter the project name of this particular cloning you're doing. Then you click on enter again because we already have the file path already. Then you paste the URL link. And do not click on anyone, just click on enter, because the first one is for mirroring the website, but you just have to do everything together. So you just click on enter again, which is return. Just continue clicking on it. Good. Now this will take a while the terminal is processing the extraction and the downloading of the website. I have to pause the video first. Now you can see now it's still extracting and downloading. So you just have to be patient. Yeah, this takes time most times, depending on the file you're downloading or cloning from the website. Good. Now you can see we have successfully downloaded and cloned the website. Now go back to your file, which is File Finder. Go to websites. Now you can see the folder name we created. Now this is the folder. I'll click on it and you see the files. I'll click on the index.html. I can see we successfully cloned this website. So guys, if you like my video on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube platform. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video.